We have arrived at Sandals, Grande, St. Lucia. We're in room 1315, the Caribbean Beach View Club level room. When you first walk in, they have closet, pillows, blankets, robe. We came in a little while ago. Birthday girl over there. Bathroom. With shower. Some of them come with the shower tub combination. This one comes with shower. Also have coffee maker. Jamaican Blue Mountain coffee. And a little bar area with some Twin Oaks wine, vodka, some Appleton Estate rum. Also got a mini fridge down here with some beer, water soda, a TV, bed, some mirror. Wave hi, birthday girl. Hey. She ready to open her champagne bottle. And for our view. From the top. For a steak partying already. We got here about a half an hour ago. One more time. Oh yeah, round of applause for this.